There's no room for doubt. The dramatic moment your train crosses the viaduct near the village of Stanford is the scenic highlight of any journey on the Great Central Railway in Nottinghamshire. The county blends seamlessly into Leicestershire, and there are views of distant hills and a stately home as you glide 100 feet above the River Soar below.
Right over top of your left now.
I'm Adam Lee, work for SAS Rope and Rail. We've done a few structures now for GCR, and this is probably the biggest, most complicated one that we've done yet. Me and Charlie were concentrating on the elevations, which are your piers, your crowns of the spans. Martin and Brad are concentrating on the soffit runs, which go underneath, go onto a tension line and pull your centre across, so you're getting a bit of a closer look to the soffits, see what condition they're in. You know about it after you've had a decent week on ropes, I'll tell you that.
The viaduct has defined the local landscape since the late 1890s. Sadly, petty vandalism and graffiti have now started to take their toll.
The good news is the viaduct is fundamentally very, very sound. There's plenty of small little issues and faults, brickwork, repointing, that sort of thing that need doing, but fundamentally it's in good condition. However, it looks awful. Graffiti all over it is not a nice sight. But more importantly, the wall, which some people in the past have knocked down and even stolen all the bricks and the coping stones that go on the top, means that there's now a speed restriction on the viaduct of 10 miles an hour, because the regulations state that the viaduct walls have to be able to contain any derailment. Hence the importance of getting the money to put the wall back, clean the graffiti off and restore the viaduct so it looks really smart again. We've had a professional heritage brick company in to tell us how much it's going to cost to get the materials, get the scaffolding up and rebuild the walls and put the copers on the top. 2 of the coping stones have been thrown down, so we've got to retrieve those, and as you can imagine they're really heavy. So we've had the work assessed, so we know exactly what we've got to do and how we're going to do it. We've just got to raise the money now to complete the work.
We need to raise £49,000, and to do it, we'll use our forward fund.
Forward Fund was formed to enable people to give regular contributions to raise money for regular maintenance on the main line from here at Riddington Fields down to Loughborough South Junction. And the appeal focus at the moment is raising money for the viaduct. Small regular donations for many, many people means that you get a meaningful amount of money, you can budget and you know what you've got coming in, so you can plan the works in advance. It makes life a lot easier. The bricklayers are lined up, we just need the money, but once we've got the money we can get the work completed by the end of this year without any problem at all.
Thank you for your support. Together we can get this graceful old lady of the Shires looking spick and span again.